Now we will draw circles with a diameter of 9 and 15 millimeters, lying on a circle with a diameter of 150 millimeters. There is a function in Alphacam that makes it easier. From the Geometry tab, expand the Special Geometries and select the option Bolt Hole Circle. OK. Enter 150 millimeters as the pitch circle diameter. Enter 9 as the diameter of holes and number of holes 12. And here leave 0 and click OK. Now we have to specify the center of this circle. It will be in the middle of an existing circle. Use the arc center of snap and point this circle. OK. Repeat the same for circles with a diameter of 15 millimeters. Select bolt hole circle. Here leave 150 millimeters and here 15 millimeters as the diameter of holes. Click OK and again select the snap, point the circle, and in this simple way we received small circles lying at even intervals on a large diameter circle. While drawing circles, let's draw circles with a diameter of 11 and 17 millimeters. Select drawing a circle using the center plus diameter command. As the circle diameter, enter 17 and click OK. The center of this circle will be offset 20 millimeters from the corners of the rectangle. It means they lie in the center of roundings with a radius of 20 millimeters. To determine the center of the circle, use the arc center of snap and indicate the fillet, and the center will be found automatically. Repeat this for the other circles. OK. OK. And OK. OK, now repeat for the circles with a diameter of 11 millimeters. Enter here 11 millimeters and OK. Select the arc center of snap and select this circle, OK, snap, this circle, OK. And finish this command by right-clicking. OK, our first drawing is ready.